Did you know that yawning during intimate moments actually indicates incredible sexual compatibility? Scientists discovered that yawning triggers the same mirror neurons responsible for empathy and sexual synchronization between partners. When you yawn, specific brain pathways activate that control arousal patterns and intimate connection. Research shows couples who yawn together experience remarkably synchronized arousal responses. Their bodies literally tune into each other's rhythms without conscious effort. Even more surprising, these synchronized couples report significantly stronger and more satisfying climaxes. The involuntary yawning response creates a neurological bridge between partners. It enhances emotional intimacy and physical pleasure simultaneously. Studies found that when one partner yawns during foreplay, the other unconsciously mirrors this behavior within seconds. This mirroring effect amplifies sexual satisfaction for both individuals. The deeper the yawning synchronization, the stronger the orgasmic response becomes. So, if your partner yawns during intimate moments, don't take it as boredom. It's actually your body's recognizing perfect biological compatibility, nature's way of confirming you're sexually matched.